Hey again. This is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and I am expanding on my quick and easy weeknight dinners series on this channel. And in this video, I am going to show you how to make this walnut honey shrimp and vegetable fried rice. The walnut honey shrimp actually comes from Trader Joe's, so that's one shortcut right there. I add a little extra oomph to it to make it my own, and I throw it together with this fried rice made in the Instant Pot, and I will show you how I create this right after this. So I actually have a whole video on this channel dedicated to how to make fried rice in the Instant Pot. I am going to put that video right here in the top corner. You can watch it now or watch it later, but I show you exactly what you need to do, and it's done in 5 minutes. So here is the honey walnut shrimp from Trader Joe's. It comes in a freezer bag like this, and it has the directions on the back of the bag where you can cook it in the oven or you can cook it on a skillet. In this video, I am going to be cooking it in the skillet because it is much quicker. It comes with chopped walnuts. To me, it's not very many walnuts. If you like more, add more. I do sometimes when I make this. And it comes with a packet of sauce. The sauce kind of has a coconutty taste to it. I'm going to show you later on in this video what I do to kind of season it up or give it a little bit more of my own flavor. So the first thing you're going to do is heat up your pan so your oil is nice and hot, and you are going to go ahead and add in your frozen shrimp. So you don't need to defrost it. It even says on the bag it can be frozen, and you just want to make sure your pan is good and hot, and go ahead and start to cook your shrimp. This process actually does not take that long. Within a few minutes it'll start to get a golden brown color like this, and you'll have the pretty good cooked shrimp. Once I get it to a certain point like this, I tend to turn the pan down on low just so it stays warm but it doesn't get burnt. So with the sauce, it says on the bag to dump it into a microwave safe bowl and cook it on 50% for a minute. I don't do that. I warm it up with some warm hot water to get it defrosted, and then I dump it into a bowl and I add some extra seasonings to it. So I get it whisked up just to make sure there's no ice pieces in there, but normally with the hot water it breaks that up. And I put in some honey. I probably put in about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of honey. I just like a more sweeter honey flavor, and I feel like the sauce by itself has more of a coconut flavor. And then I add in some garlic powder. That's probably about a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then I just whisk that up and kind of put my own spin onto the honey sauce that comes with the walnut shrimp. I know what you're thinking, ew, gross, the sauce is cold. Well, I keep the pan on low heat for a reason. I go ahead and dump the sauce into the pan and get it warmed up with the finishing cooking, end of cooking shrimp. So the pan is warm, so the sauce starts to warm up, and I dump in the walnuts into the warm pan, and then I blend that all together to make sure that the sauce gets cooked all the way through or warmed up all the way through, and all of the pieces of shrimp get coated. And we're done. While I was cooking the shrimp in the skillet, the fried rice was cooking in the Instant Pot. Then with Instant Pots, they go into a warm feature, so that stayed hot. The shrimp is evenly coated. I was able to add my own flavor spin on it, and all of this was done in less than 30 minutes, and you have a full dinner. That makes about 2 servings with the Trader Joe's shrimp. It's running for about $6.99 a bag currently at Trader Joe's, so I think it's a really good deal for an easy weeknight meal for 2. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like videos like these, you like Instant Pot videos, you like air fryer videos, you like food videos, you like travel videos, I do all of that here, so I hope you consider subscribing so you can catch the next time I post, which is weekly, and I post more content like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.